Sanibonani babukele emakhaya nawo wonke umuntu obukele le video bengisacela uma umusha kule channel ucofoze usubscribe ubutton ulike ushare ucomment uvule notification ukuze uhlezi unotified ngakho konke okwenzeka kule channel.
Bafethu sebevele baniqhwaye nje egxini noba lithetha phi iqanda le country. Most on my previous post ndichila into babekezi mase itheko invitwe yiMEC yakwa Transport and Human Settlement usiboniso Duma uGeneral Njrng mkhwanazi wethu. So apha ke kulapho engcamla khona. Bafethu niyayazi indlovu. Xa kumane sixelelwa kuthiwa indlovu imaka iterritory yayo. Sithetha ngoGeneral Njrng mkhwanazi. Mose ngiyakhumbula into ba yena uyi-professional commissioner yase KZN. So ungusophoyisa wase KZN. Uninini kuthe xa kuthiwa udle phansi even uyi-head ama-hawks uGeneral Sinona kwathiwa awuyile wabacela wathi hayi relaxani ndikhona. Uya ke ngoku apha ngama-traffic cop ndiyabazi bakhona abanye abazathi hayi ama-traffic cop ninini sike sibe khona mos la debate ama-traffic cop. Mna bafethu wonke nje lamapolisa asendleleni whether yi-metro whether yintoni kumnje ngama-traffic cop. So uya ke ngilitheko lama-traffic cop apho benikwa khona ama-awards ke ngoku. Hayi ke so xa kathetha ke nabo just ukunibona into ba uyayimaka iterritory yabo hayibo bafethu ngoba yena akazimiselanga nje ku gatekeeper into anabantu besiphoyisa phakathi ufuna ukuyi-owner. Awubaxelele wathi nje uawe into ba kukhona lapho bahlalihlale babe khona into abashota ngazo njoba bona pha kwe-SAPS benazo ezinye ze-resources okungenzeka bona bashota ngazo hayapho beshota khona hayibo baphakamisa isandla uzawuvela. Uba ngabazi into zizokwenza nezingcwabo okanye inoba likhona icolleague nyana labo eseluwile hayibo bathethe uzavela. Uba ngaba badinga into ezifana nama-training facilities nje uzavela. Kuyaya apho ezathi khona uzaba trainer. Hey anuzoba safe ezindleleni pha ko-N3 nisuka ko-Joburg njengoba nithanda ukubaleka nileqa i-KZN kuzoba nje umuntu e-KZN utshilo ke because bona mos abekho as trained as maybe abase-SAPS into ezifana nezibhamba nazo but nje ingozi abajongana nazo nje nabo nje zi-serious because xa bemisa ezimoto zethu abekho sho into abazodibana nofezi ufezi ongumgulukudu okanye ufezi oright ufezi ophetheni kwakulo moto yakhe. So nje uwatshilo nje amagama amabini amathathu but nje hey bafethu yena xa kethetha kuyamameleka bo. Hey.
On behalf of the over 21,000 police officers in the Republic of South Africa based in KwaZulu-Natal province, I'm standing here to give a message of support as I was invited, an invitation that came as an instruction that I must be here. I was told, MEC, that we're going to start at 12, and 12 o'clock became 12:30, and 12:30 became, I don't know what time that we end up starting with. But nonetheless, we're here. MEC, I must first appreciate your strategic leadership that you've shown today. When I was invited to come and attend this event, I thought it is the department thing. I thought I was going to be meeting a lot of civilians. And to my surprise, I met officers instead of civilians. Don't ask why we call you civilians and the others are officers, but at least I could relate with the majority in the room when I walked in. What makes me appreciate the most, MEC, is that these are men and women that work long hours in the most dangerous situations. And majority of the time, for the past 5 years I've been in this province, I've always seen them as people who feel neglected amongst all the employees within the department. So for you to take this decision to bring them together today to come and acknowledge them, it means a lot. To myself, Mr. Chetty, and the rest of the team. It is a sign of recognition that you've given to these hardworking men and women. I'm sure out of all the employees that you have in the department, they are the only ones that are facing danger on the street. They get shot at. We've lost 2 colleagues in north of KZN, and I did not see much movement from the leadership after the shooting that happened around Bangeni when that incident happened. And there are many other incidents of that nature. I'm sure the colleagues from Union, Pop Crew, amongst others, will be able to talk to you about a lot of challenges that employees face. But on behalf of law enforcement in the province of KwaZulu-Natal, the men and women in blue, as well as the metro, other law enforcement officers that are here, those that are not here, I want to thank you for what you have done together with the HOD in arranging this event, and I do hope this is the beginning of many of these events to come. Some of the challenges that were raised here amongst, I think the pop crew was talking, in some of the services, MEC, there's one law enforcement agency in the Republic that is South African Police Service. We know that there are a lot of resources that RTI needs from the police. And we commit here before you and everyone that is